Data is the lifeblood of your organization. So when that data is at risk, so is your organization. As data volumes continue to grow and move into virtual, mobile, and cloud locations, the risks become exponentially greater. There's simply not enough time, storage, people, and budget to continue relying on broken legacy backup and recovery methods using multiple point products. A modern approach designed for today's world of complexity and constant change must be adopted. Sympana 10 software from Commvault is an exponential leap forward that helps your organization protect, manage, and provide access to your information like never before. From a single platform, organically built from the ground up, Sympana 10 addresses every aspect of data protection, from data growth to applications, mobility, and virtual infrastructures. To make backup and recovery faster and more efficient, Sympana 10 is armed with IntelliSnap, our cutting-edge approach to snapshot protection and management. With IntelliSnap, you can leverage the speed of hardware snapshots without any added complexity or manual scripting. The industry's broadest storage array support and application integration will allow you to recover files, applications, and virtual servers in an instant. At the same time, you're greatly increasing the value of your storage investment. Protect and manage exponentially growing data and eliminate inefficient silos with Sympana OnePass. OnePass combines backup, archiving, and reporting into a single operation that handles both files and emails to deliver a zero-footprint archive. So it simplifies administration, reduces complexities, and lowers infrastructure costs. To help you meet today's demands for mobility, Sympana 10 offers Edge. Edge is an integrated enterprise-grade solution for protecting laptops and desktops, providing secure access from any device and any location, so you can empower a more productive mobile workforce with complete peace of mind. Better prepare your organization for the unexpected with a wide range of new disaster recovery options, including simpler and more frequent testing, rapid and efficient replication, and the ability to leverage cloud infrastructures. To achieve a more efficient, scalable, and agile data center, Sympana 10 helps you adopt a resilient virtual infrastructure faster across more applications and with optimized data management. Snapshot protection with IntelliSnap, advanced auto protection capabilities, and deeply integrated tools offer the widest range of recovery and management options available today. And you can do all of this across any of the major platforms, including vCenter, Hyper-V, and now vCloud Director. All of this protection is managed on a single platform, one that works with any data source, any data location, any data platform, and any data destination. So you can remove risks while reducing costs and complexity. It's a dangerous world with the risk of loss, intrusions, and downtime increasing exponentially. Protect your organization and your data with Sympana 10.